Welcome, AP Economics students. This is Miss Foley. Today is our last day of review in terms of, doing these assignments with these quizzes. Over the next few days, I put out a survey on what days I should schedule and what times I should schedule Google Meets. Um, Thank you for those who responded. If you haven't gotten a chance, please respond if you plan on coming to a live review session. I wanted to spread out different times and days because I know that a lot of you have different things going on. So I wanted to make sure that you have the opportunity to get some live review. And I'm building some sample practice problem packets that I will be sending out to you, and that is optional for you to do if you want to get some more practice. You'll be getting those in the next 24 48 hours. So the Google Meet survey, if you haven't gotten a chance and if you are interested in live review, please make sure that you click on that. In terms of last class we learned about, we reviewed market structures. Many of you did a really nice job on the quiz. There were two things that kind of tripped people up, and I want to make sure that they are clear. The first thing is when you're talking about a monopoly, it's got a downward sloping demand curve, but underneath the demand curve is a marginal revenue curve. And when you want to, as a monopoly, sell more units, you need to drop not only the price of the next unit that you're about to sell, but all the units that came before that. They all need to be the same price. That's why the marginal revenue curve is constructed the way it is, and that was the answer to that multiple choice question. The other thing is that monopolistic competition. I think it was the last question on the quiz. It asked about advertising. Remember, advertising is going to be a cost. So you needed to, if they said, if we want to do this, what's going to happen to our graph? Well, costs are going to go up. So, and they also, they kind of hinted to you, they said it not only was it a cost, it was an expensive cost. So that was kind of a hint that the average total cost curve would move up. And then saying that if it was successful, if advertising is successful, people want your product. So the demand curve is going to shift to the right. Okay. Other things here. So we have my lesson on factor markets and my allergies, which are killing me slowly. We have our lesson here on factor markets. Make sure that you watch that. Make sure that you complete the review day 7 quiz. I got the Khan Academy video here. I got the Unit 11 video for Mr. Clifford, so you could take a look at that. And then the cheat sheet should be really helpful. I would download that and have that available for you. If you're looking for some extra practice problems, the microeconomics homework packet, that's a good place to start to take a look at some of those problems. Okay? All right. I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you have any questions, please let me know. Checkpoint 1 is coming up on Friday, end of the day. So anything that you need to turn in, make sure that you do. And also, I'm closing down that Google Meet survey on Friday night too, so that I can accurately plan. Okay, so make sure you get that stuff done. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to reach out to me. Hope you have a great day.